Dear traders, welcome for users analysis about BTC or the floor technical analysis. First, before talking about BTC, we should understand where major liquidity. Let's cover that stuff. Major liquidity on BTC at this moment, if you open bigger time frame, especially if you open really huge time frame, you would see that major and key liquidity below 25,000 and above 32,000. Why this stuff is super important? Because liquidity, it is a magnet for BTC, and price really often moves to it to take it, and it's like it's essential for the price. And at this moment, we're nearly in the middle between these two key liquidity areas, and volatility decreased so much. And let's cover what exactly I am planning to trade with you and with our club. At this moment, on a lower scale, BTC is in the middle of this downward trend. Pay attention to this downward trend. Price slowly dropping, and we are below this VWAP plus price below this major value area. At this moment, as you can see, price in the middle of this accumulation area. And how we can trade it, this stuff. First, in what cases I would consider taking short trades? Short trades I would consider taking only in a case if price fails to break this value area. For example, price reach value area high, but here it reach massive resistance. Someone sell really a lot of coins and price come back into value area. That would be a good signal for continue dropping. How we exactly must find it? When you open clusters, in the clusters, pay attention. At this moment in front of you, it is a footprint. It's like a Rengen on a candle of your candle. And pay attention in what cases it's really awesome to understand that price would not move into, for example, wouldn't drop. Have a look on this value area like it was here. When price reach low of this value area, pay attention how volume increased. This stuff, what this stuff means, as color closer to red, it means bigger volume. Like this super red, it is 7,000, 8,000. This tiny red, it is 6. This blue, it could be even below 1,000. Bigger volume means bigger resistance, bigger potential movement. And pay attention how it, for example, here, price didn't let BTC going down and they push up because big volume appeared and didn't allow it. At this moment, as you can see, price of BTC, there is no significant volume from one side that could show to us really clear and really easy direction. That's the reason why I tell to our community members that sometimes better to be out of a trades. Have a look on our statistic. That's example for you why sometimes you should be out of a trades. It is a trade that I share with our community members. As you can see, it is my statistic for the last 30 days. And pay attention, we have really beautiful periods where it is super easy to trade. And sometimes you just need to be out and do nothing. That's example for you. What exactly I would trade? Exactly I would trade? First, in a case if price reach this area, if there would be significant sell volume, I would consider taking short for continue dropping. That would be the best for me. But there must be once more significant volume. And of course, I will share this stuff with my community members. In what cases I would switch for long? In what cases I would become bullish? Really bullish, I can become only if price break this VWAP, start squeezing, and come back into this major value area. For me, it is a line 29,800, where I can become bullish with a target for rehigh. In other cases, I'm looking for short because this down trend still down, and I have one rule: trade a trend until it breaks. That's it. That's why. Reaching this area with confirmation, I take short. About long, better to take some scalping longs, better to take only in the case of some local drop, only in this case, better to take it. That's it. That's why, my friend, wait for opportunity. Subscribe to this channel to be updated and get a lot of lessons that will help you make money. And right now, watch this free lesson, free course about technical analysis that could help you start your path in trading and start making money and understand all of this. Thank you for your time. Bye.